Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Stryker 3313 Toy Hauler trailer. We're going to take a few minutes to walk you through the inside and outside of this RV here. All right, so we're going to start inside. Let's step on up in here, check it out. So walking in the front door, you're basically entering your living room, kitchen area here. So you have one slide out in this area, and it's basically has a theater seat and your gas and electric refrigerator over there, all built into the slide. You have deep tint safety glass windows with the pull down roller shades in that area. There are little light up cup holders and USB charger ports on your theater seat there. Over here you have your kitchen area. So you got a big U-shaped kitchen setup, some overhead cabinet space, large microwave, TV up there, and the TV is on a swing arm so you can maneuver it around if you're wanting to sit in here and watch some TV. Looking up at the ceiling, there is speakers in here, ducted AC, and a vent fan up above as well. On the side of your cabinet, you have your stereo system. So you have some drawers down below here. New for the 2023 lineup is also an air fryer oven setup here. So this is different than the traditional gas RV oven that you're used to seeing. 3-burner stovetop, which is propane. High-rise spring sprayer faucet. The window back there does also open. The unit is also pre-prepped with the 4G LTE Wi-Fi kind of stuff set up there. Basically, you can buy a gateway connector that would attach up there, and also you'd be able to subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon, one of those type of guys, to get internet service. Behind this door is our master bedroom area. So you have another slide out here. You have some overhead cabinets, emergency exit window, walk around bed area here. This is a little snug, but it is doable. You got to kind of turn sideways to maneuver around. You have some cabinet space down below, wireless charger over there, and a little bit of shelf space up above. And then back here is a pretty deep closet area. Kind of looking up at our ceiling here, you have another vent fan up top there, AC ducts in here, and then over on the wall you have room for a TV. So you got an electric outlet, and you also have a cable outlet up there, so you can mount your TV. Sliding door here to block off your bathroom area here. So kind of starting from the lower part down here, you have a foot flush toilet, some storage space, a little sink area here, window in there as well, medicine cabinet, and then a vent fan up top. Little shelf space over here. Let's step out and look from the other direction. So you have a skylight up above your shower, ABS tub surround, and basically a step-in shower with a curtain. But you can get to it from your bedroom or from your hallway area when you first walk into the RV. All vinyl floor in the living room, kitchen, bedroom area. Stepping back into the garage area here, you have that rubber diamond plate kind of floor. D-rings built into the floor as well. Back here you have a little dinette area or bed area, depending on what you want to use it for. So right now it's in dinette mode. There's a little table that goes in between there. You can flip that down into bed mode, and then you also have another bed which is currently up against the ceiling here that will come down as well. So you could sleep 4 people back here pretty comfortably. And this unit was ordered with 2 ACs, so one AC up here in the garage, the other one in the living room kitchen area, but they are ducted to blow throughout the RV. There's another speaker back here, and then you also have outdoor speakers as well, you'll see when we get out there. Now here you do have a little half bath, so if you have kids sleeping back here or whatever, they got their own little toilet area and sink area back here. Over here is some controls for the beds, the light switches, TV hookups. Also, you'll notice on some of the outlets where they are pre-set up and wired to where you could do an inverter. They have an option for some solar and inverter and stuff like that, but they do come pre-prepped for that. And if you do that inverter, it will run some of your electric outlets as well. Electric box with your breakers and fuses down there. And there is an entry door back here. So you have traditional RV entry door, screen door, does have a window in it, and that is Lippert thin shade ready. The front door is also the same way. The big windows back here also open. And you can kind of see here, you do have a little porch set up if you want that feature. Let's turn around and look forward here. So right now we have one side of the screen wall drop down. You can just have the screen part, or you can roll it all up, or you can drop down the privacy portion as well. Couple docking lights up here. You're also pre-prepped for the rear Furrion observation camera. Nice feature to add. When you first go up into the main body of the RV, it is kind of sloped down, so it's got kind of like a beaver tail or dovetail, depending on what you want to refer to it as. But it does kind of go down a little bit, making it a little easier to get your bikes in and out. Again, the windows back here do open. But overall, pretty cool little setup. This garage, if I remember correctly, is about 13.5 feet long. Let's step on back outside here. Kind of show you around the outside real quick. So looking down the door side area here, we have white fiberglass exterior with some vinyl graphics. We have a black lower metal skirting. Across this front section here is a little bit of storage area, but your inverter prep is back here. Solar charge controller. This is also prepped for a aftermarket tire pressure monitoring system. Obviously you have your light, battery disconnect here, solar battery disconnect here. So this disconnects the solar from the system. This disconnects the battery from it as well. Nicer key-alike system, so the key for this will also work your entry door or your other baggage door. They are magnetic holders to hold them back as well. This one was also ordered with power stabilizer jacks. You also have enclosed underbelly as well. Power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff. You have outdoor speakers up high. They also have a porch light as well. Also, the awning has a cradle arm in the center up there, so when it's rolled up, it kind of supports itself in the center so it doesn't bow over time. So nice little support bracket that's added on there. Down here is a light underneath your step just to kind of help you get in and out at nighttime. There's hot and cold low point water drains down here and your gas line hookup for your griddle. So right here you got kind of a little entertainment area here. We have TV out here, we have a griddle out here. There is hot and cold water out here with the little dump sink. So you can use either a hose or you can use the faucet piece. They just basically got a quick snap on there once you decide what you want to use. Little mini fridge out here that is 110-volt version. You have some informational stickers here, model number, extended season RV package, the Goodyear tire sticker there, just kind of promoting Goodyear tire. And then you also have that 3-year limited structural warranty sticker there. Basically just kind of reminding you these guys do a 3-year limited structural warranty. There are a lot of brands that do that. However, there are some brands that don't. They're only 1-year limited warranty. So that is a big difference depending on what brand you're looking at. Down here again, dual axle, aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. It also has the upgraded suspension here, the Dexter suspension in the center. But then you also have shocks on the RV as well. So for a toy hauler, this has a really nice upgraded suspension system compared to most brands on the market. Outside electric outlet, the larger 10-gallon gas electric water heater, and then you have your furnace exhaust out here as well. The traditional hover style entry step, those are rated for 300 pounds. On the back side back here is where you would fuel up your toy. And then down below is the spare tire underneath the bottom there. Rear power stabilizer jacks as well. On around to the back side, again, you kind of seen when we were in there, you know, porch mode, if you like that feature. You can drop it down, obviously load your toys in and out pretty easily. You have a couple docking lights up there. And again, this is pre-wired for that rear Furrion observation camera. Definitely check that out, talk with your salesperson about that. On around to this side, looking up top, there is another light over here. Next to that light is prepping for the Lippert Stow and Go ladder. It is a telescoping ladder, comes down, touches the ground, detaches obviously, but it is prepped for it. It's an aftermarket ladder you can buy and use if you need to. It's nice being detachable. That way you don't have to worry about the kids or neighbors or somebody climbing up on your roof, falling off and getting hurt. You fill up your portable fuel tank right here. Detachable power cord. Now, depending on how you order it, this one was ordered with 2 ACs and basically set up with 50 amp electric service. You could order it with 2 ACs and an energy management system and still do 30 amp, but it does reduce the size of the ACs a little bit. Puts in an energy management system that would allow it to basically like shut off the microwave. If you had, you know, the microwave running and 2 ACs running, it won't allow that. Basically, it would turn one or the other off. Also, when you do the energy management setup with the dual AC setup, you can only do the 4,000 watt generator that way. You can't do the 5,000. So, you know, kind of talk with your salesperson depending on which way you want yours set up. Dumping down here as well. So your gray and black for the back section here. Cable inlets for cable and satellite. The little black rectangle up there is one of the side vents, allowing fumes to vent out when you're traveling down the road. These 2 big black ones here are vents for the gas and electric refrigerator. Over here we have a second dump area, because you have bathroom in the back, bathroom in the front. It does require 2 separate dumps. They're too far apart. And then underneath the back there, that white handle is the freshwater tank drain, which is the 1.5-inch drain instead of the small 3/8 drain. So it will drain out a lot faster. This one was ordered with a generator, so you do have the generator exhausting out right here. Here you have a cold water spray port over here. And then you also have gravity fill fresh water, black tank flush, and city water inlets as well. And then this one again was ordered with the 5,500 watt AWNING generator. Pretty cool setup. Really nice toy hauler. On around to the front side, we have a fiberglass front cap. You have some LED lights built in there, lower metal skirting on the front. Two 30-pound propane tanks, power tongue jack, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, and room for 1 or 2 batteries to go back here. Now, real quick, we're gonna pop up a few very important informational stickers here for you. The very first one popping up is your main production data sticker. This sticker has the production date, VIN number, axle sizes, but most importantly on this sticker, gross vehicle weight. That's the most you can load the RV up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Next is your unloaded vehicle weight sticker, basically telling you what the RV weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line. Next is your cargo carrying capacity sticker, basically telling you how much gear you can load into the RV before you exceed the gross weight on the first sticker. And last but not least, the tire sticker, basically telling you tire size, but most importantly, tire pressure. Very, very important to check your cold tire pressure from time to time so that the tires don't get too low and blow out easier. All right, folks, thanks for taking the time to watch my quick tour here on the Stryker 3313 model. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Thanks again.